used a razor blade to get the reflective sticker off. Then these are 2.5. There's 4 2.5 millimeter bolts. Take those off. Got it. And there's 4 more over there, 2.5 millimeters. Take those off. 18 millimeter. If you don't have an 18 millimeter, use an adjustable. Squeeze in here, and then you're gonna act a towel and web the knife up. But first, squeeze in on here, and then wedge it off like that, because this you can slip, kind of push into the channel. Screwdriver, and then I'm prying up, and as you can see, it's coming. Wedged everything off with the back of some spoons and a shirt. Easy. So I used some needle nose pliers and grabbed it, and then bent it all the way over, and I'm just taking my fingers and scraping it out. As you can see, I marked the rotation of the tire, then I took this off. I got a wood here. I drilled a hole in there, cut a hole in there, because it's going to go in here like this. Also, you'll notice I put tape on here because I'm going to be using a screwdriver to wedge this on. I don't want to ruin all my paint. Also, I'm going to spray it with lubricant, so that'll make it a little slippery, I'm thinking. I've got my tire here. I'm going to slip it on. I'm pushing it this way. First, I'm going to boil it. I got the water going now. And then I'm going to slide it up like this, and then I'm going to put it on this way because of this wire in the way. Right direction. Going over. Oh, shit. Holy shit. Tough. On. Great. It's on there, but not all the way. So this is where tools. And of course, I didn't. On there. Put the tape on there so I wouldn't scratch it, and I should have put it on both sides, but what do you know? Just a beginner. Yes, I say 2 more, man. Boiling it helped, I can tell you that. Yes, sir! Almost there. One more spot. One more spot. Yes, sir. That's it. What was that, about 1.5 minutes? Putting that tire on. No more flats. I've had 4 flats. 2 in the back, 2 in the front. Haven't put a solid one on the back yet. We'll see, because I mean there's still air in the tire. That's it, folks. That's how you change it. Solid. Here is grooved, as you can see. So slide that on, make sure there's one on the other side as well. Then you've got 4 small 2.5 millimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is an 18 millimeter. Put that on. Then after that, you're going to cover it, sliding this in there, of course. And you got 4 more, bigger, longer, 2.5 millimeters. Then put your reflector sticker on. No need to over tighten these screws. They're just holding the plastic on. So or you will strip them. Then put your reflective sticker back on, you're good to go.